When an Android phone displays the "No Command" message, there are several possible reasons for this issue. The problem may be caused by using the wrong key combination, a corrupted recovery image file, or a software bug. To resolve this, using the correct key combination is essential, as the specific buttons vary among devices, with most devices using the power and volume key combination to boot into recovery mode. If the error persists, force rebooting the phone may help. This can be done by holding the power button until the power options appear, selecting Restart, and waiting for the phone to restart. If the issue continues, a factory reset may be necessary, which can be done by accessing Google's Find My Device on a computer, logging in with the same details as the phone, selecting the device, and confirming the Erase Device option. By following these steps, the "No Command" error on an Android phone can be resolved.